Did you know that the highest per capita rate of homelessness in Santa Clara County is right here in Gilroy? There are hundreds of homeless adults and homeless children in our schools, living in cars, living outdoors, living in buildings not meant for human habitation. There's a group of volunteers that's doing something about it. The Gilroy Compassion Center is a place where anyone who is homeless can come to find out referrals for services and help right now with clothing, blankets, something to eat, a telephone, personal care items, a bathroom, and a place to come in out of the cold. There are people homeless all year round, and we need your help. You can contribute supplies or money to the Gilroy Compassion Center and support us by becoming a volunteer. Gilroy Compassion Center is located on Monterey Road, 8425 Monterey Road, near the corner with Leavesley, here in Gilroy. The phone number is 408-763-7120. Go to our website at www.gilroycompassioncenter.org to find out more, or become a friend on Facebook. Thanks for supporting the Gilroy Compassion Center.